Most people overpay for condo insurance because they don't quite understand what they're insuring. And as a lender that helps people buy houses, get mortgages, sometimes I look at these quotes and I realize they just have the wrong quote because they don't fully understand what coverage they need. So when you purchase a condo, you have to understand that that insurance policy is different from a standard home purchase. When you buy a regular house, you get insurance and it covers everything. It covers the exterior of the house, the interior of the house, and sometimes you will have add-ons for actual personal things in the house. And you might even have additional insurance if you've improved the house, so you get upgraded stuff when they replace it. On a condo, what happens is there's a master policy on the building. So that master policy will have a clear point where it stops insuring. So sometimes the policy might read drywall out or studs out or something like that. And what that means is the master policy, if the building was to burn down, would cover from that point out, but it wouldn't cover anything in your unit. So it wouldn't cover new floors, new appliances, new lighting, new anything. Basically, what you would get is you would get a unit that was built drywall out or studs out, and you'd be responsible for everything inside. So the policy you need is just for the interior of your unit. And what that policy has to do is cover hypothetically studs in or drywall in, depending how the master policy is defined. And why this is important is that policy is going to be less than a policy that covers everything. You just need an interior policy. What I also recommend is that you get some type of insurance. So if your unit was to leak on the unit below, any repairs to that unit are covered. And you might also want to get some protection against if somebody above you had the same issue, but they didn't have insurance to fix your unit. So you could get some insurance that would protect you in that case. But a condo policy is different from a standard policy, and it should be less